Japan is the most amazing tourist destination and it offers many unique experiences that you cannot find in any other part of the world. The culture of this country is an interesting blend of Eastern traditions and Western modernity that can be seen everywhere. Japan is one of the oldest civilizations and has a beautiful and diverse history. The stunning, diverse scenery with mountain and breathtaking views, which are much appreciated by the Japanese, offers so many different experiences that attract tourists from all corners of the world. In this video, we will tell you about top 5 fun facts about Japan. But first, if you are new here, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos. Number 1. It's good manner to slurp your noodles. Japan values good manners highly, but when it comes to chewing down and bowlfuls of noodles, there is only one way to eat: noisily. Slurping is a sign of enjoyment and also cools down the noodle as you eat. Get your chopsticks in one hand and lean over your bowl. Waves are sometimes provided for foreigners, but by the time you leave, you should be able to polish off a bowl in a white top and walk out spotless. Number 2. The traditional Christmas Eve meal is KFC. Plenty of Japanese celebrate Christmas, but the festive fare isn't what you might expect. In Japan, it's traditional to head to your local KFC on Christmas Eve. An estimated 3.6 million Japanese feast on the KFC Christmas dinner. An hour of queuing and ordering weeks in advance is expected. Some say turkey and chicken wasn't widely available for the Christmas curious Japanese, so Colonel Sanders stepped in to answer the demand. Number 3. Japan is mostly mountains. Japan's big name stars are its densely populated cities, and it is not a country you had think of as a scarcely populated mountain wilderness. However, around 70% of Japan is made up of forests and mountains that are not suitable for farming or living in. There are over 100 active volcanoes, and its tallest mountain is the farm mountain Fuji with its elevation of 3,776 feet. Number 4. There is a rabbit island in Japan. Japan is made up of nearly 7,000 islands. The little island of Okunoshima in the inland sea is best known for its curious big-eared population. The island was used to test chemical weapons during World War II, and it's said the test subject roamed free after the war. Either way, the number flourished in a predator-free environment. Dogs and cats are banned from entering, and today Okunoshima is a popular spot for cuddle bunny tourists. Number 5. The number 4 is extremely unlucky. The number 4, that is called Shi, is widely avoided in Japan since it sounds too similar to the Japanese word for death. Keep an eye out in Japan and you will notice buildings don't have a 4th floor. Items are sold in sets of 3 or 5, and special care is taken to avoid encountering the number in daily life. There are endless number of reasons to visit Japan, as the country has something to entice almost every kind of travelers. That's all for today. See you in the next one.